Good morning, YouTube. Oh, boy. Oh. I'm just getting up from the boom, balloon from last night. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, that was a big boom balloon. And the tornado and all that, So right now, what I'm getting ready to do, I'm getting ready to go and check around and see if my stepmother is all right, because where she's staying at is where I was raised at, and there's big trees over there. So I'm getting ready to go down and see about my stepmother. I'm getting ready to check on her, make sure she's okay, and make sure everything is in check. So yeah. I don't see no damage, y'all. That's a good thing. I don't see no trees down, nothing like that. I'm glad. They ain't trying to pick nothing up right now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, I thought I saw 6 o'clock while ago. It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, somebody did come around, didn't they? They still want to play games. Somebody keep coming in my stepmother's yard. And they got a pile of little trees. Oh, no, I don't say that. I take that back, because she probably did. Let me see. I'm going to check, though. I'm going to check. Everything was good from that storm. That's good. That's good news. Everything was good, and with no damage, nothing, no trees down, and nothing like that. And that's a good news. That's good news for everybody. No floods, no none of that. So, yeah, A-okay. Yesterday, my nephew came and put up this solar panel light that my older brother didn't. He didn't do. Well, he did, but he didn't do it right. So, yeah, he put up a solar panel. See if y'all can see that. Let me see that. Can you see that? I'm trying to show y'all something. Because at nighttime, there be some creeper crawlers walking up in my yard. And yeah, had to put it up like that. But yeah, it's called solar panel light. Works by the sun. I don't know nothing about it. All I know, it works. Last night, tell y'all the truth, when the storm came through here, when the storm came through here, I was sleeping good. Before the storm came through here, I was sleeping good, y'all. I mean, I was like, I was sleeping good. And then when the lights went out, I was up like that. You know what I'm saying? I was up. I was trying to figure out what in the world. But then, boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Oh, good God, okay. So, I ain't mind, I ain't mind all that boom, 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 boom. But then when my lights went off, I sat up. I'm like, okay. And I went and I walked around in. I had my light though. I had my lantern light. I had my flashlight. I had my taser. I had all that. But anyway, what I wanted to say was, you know, it cooled it off. All that rain and everything, it cooled it off, you know. Got up and checked on my stepmama, made sure she was good. She's good, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. See you in the next video.